Pa 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 pa. We're live. Pa pa pa.
So hopefully my news was not too confusing for you this morning.
I didn't even read it, Dave.
All right, great, perfect.
It would have to probably be in a different language to confuse me. I mean, I have it up. I'm scrolling through it, but it's not like that's not what I spend my time doing this morning. I love you, but I don't love you that much.
This takes about an hour for me to do.
1 hour.
Yeah. While smoking.
Oh yeah, so like 8 minutes really.
Let me get. Bum, 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 bum. Is Powell gonna fuck us today? I don't know what time he's speaking.
Oh. Wow.
It's probably right now,
The
actually.
whole market's red.
Yeah, what a day. But last Wednesday on St. Patty's when Powell came on, the market did end green.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
SPY's pretty much even.
What?
SPY's pretty much even.
Oh. Honestly, for some reason I thought you said, why am I a vegan? It's like, I don't know, man. I ask myself that all the time. Why you're a vegan?
What?
Things are
Now you're
gross.
just hating.
Oh,
You're just
milk
hating
is
right
so
now.
gross. No.
Actual quote. Officially, I'm officially an ordained minister. Did I tell you that?
No, tell me about it.
I'll tell you on the show. Let's roll this bitch.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks.
Oh, why, hello there. Good morning, you beautiful stoners. Welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
It is March 23rd, 2021, and we are ready to go. Huge shout out to Terp Labs and Green Farms Dispensaries. Thank you for being our cannabis sponsor. You can check them out in Mesa and Flagstaff, Arizona. I just checked. Tomorrow they're going to be coming in with more rosin. So if you guys are some rosin people trying to find that, go to Green Farms. Hit up Terp Labs, baby. Brian, who else we got?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm, recently featured on Yahoo Business. What's up? We love them. You know them. They're an amazing algorithm to help you confidently trade the stock market. I say confidently unless your name is Dave. It gives you great buy and sell, buy and short signals, clear as day. Follow them into green pastures. Cheat Code Algorithm. Check out their. We got a link in the description. If you sign up for the algorithm, they give us some money. Fucking just do it. You know, if you're like, oh, I really need something, but I don't know what it is. It's Cheat Code Algorithm, and toss your boy some cash. I'll smoke weed in your honor.
Worth every penny.
Worth every penny. Just real
Every
quick,
fucking penny.
we'll say what's up to the people that are joining us already. Joseph Hoffey. Don't know who that is. What's up, buddy?
Oh,
And
what's
then-
up?
Check out Green Farms Crescendo. Ethos Genetic. Oh, he must know. You must know Joseph Hoffey. Check out Green. If he knows Green
yeah.
Farms, he knows Dave. That's cool.
Fuck yeah.
And then we got Bears in chat today. Dan and fucking Frank. Bear Dan, Bear Frank. Oh, boy. Ugh.
Everybody's in. Everybody's in.
Everybody's here.
All right.
Cool.
I can honestly say that we have been using the Algo since what, September, and it has changed my life. I'm so happy that they hit us up thinking that we are funny, and I'm so happy they did that. I'm so happy that we have that cheat code.
Yeah. It changed Dave's life. It made him lose money at an even faster pace. That's his
So
fault,
funny.
though. That is not Cheat Code Algorithm's fault. That is Dave's fault.
No, that's all on me.
Yeah.
Greedy. So what were you
Greed.
saying before we started the show?
As of yesterday, I'm officially an ordained minister.
Wow.
I know. How?
How?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
I'm,
Like, why did, like, not how, but like why?
Oh, I'm marrying Craig and Laura.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I didn't tell you that?
No, why you?
Oh.
How did you not tell me?
I thought I told you. Yeah,
No.
Craig hit me up a couple weeks ago, and he was, hey, are you coming to my wedding? And I was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I already RSVP'd. Would you marry me and Laura? And I was like, sure, yeah. And he's just like, it was Laura's idea. And I was like, well, then definitely. As long as you're not the one asking me, then yeah, for sure, 100%. No,
Wow.
just kidding. Yeah, so, yeah,
Wow.
as of yesterday, I am a man of God. Not really. I am a man of the internet, for sure.
So what did you have to do? Did you just like pay $15 for a license?
I did nothing. Thank you, Laura. Best bride in the entire world. She's like, hey, so like we'll take care. You know, it's like $50 or whatever. We'll take care of it. And I was like, cool. And then she's just like, can I just have your information? And I was like, yeah, sure. Yeah, I see. I knew I told you. Dan knew I was marrying him. I could see this in chat. Yeah, you just don't fucking listen. You smoke weed all day.
Was I in it? Was I in the chat room?
You must have been, dude. There's why?
No. I
When
would
is
have remembered that.
what? No, you wouldn't have. Okay, but anyway, yeah. So she hit me. She's like, "Can I get like this information from you?" I was like, "Sure." I was ready to do it all myself. Like I had the website up and everything, and then she's like, "You're all set." And then she sent me over their marriage certificate, which she's like, can you sign this? If not, I could just scribble it. Like the lady said, it doesn't really matter. So I'm like on Microsoft Paint with my mouse. I signed my signature. It looks like a 3-year-old autistic kid tried out cursive for the first time. And here we go, bitch! I'm married, motherfuckers!
Again, that was good. Good for you, though.
Thanks.
Good for you.
Yeah, I'm just
Now
glad
you're
to
gonna
not be a best man. Now I'm just the guy that reads a script. I love it.
God, that's so funny. I don't even know who the best men are. I guess I just haven't spoke to anybody in a minute.
See, I think this is...
all right.
See? Okay. Deja vu. Dan's 100% right. We've had this conversation before. Because I said because I said I was going to marry Craig, and you're like, do you know who the best man is? And I was like, no, I have no idea. Huh, I wonder. This is literally the second time we've had this conversation.
All right. That's starting to come back to me. I remember you asking me that. I don't actually remember you saying the whole Craig part, though.
That's funny.
All right. Let's so I can get back into stocks. Bro, yesterday was how do I want to call it? The 1-year anniversary of the March slump. What do you want to call it?
The market crash, like one of the biggest ones
market
ever.
crashing, yeah.
I don't know.
1-year anniversary.
Today.
Yesterday. March 20. No, today. Yeah,
Today, yeah.
Today.
I have
March
your
23rd.
I have your shit up. Yeah.
Yep, March 23rd.
That is
S&P 500 has rallied 76% in 1 year, marking its best 1-year gain in 85 years.
wow.
Wow.
This is like when the Red Sox won the World Series.
Pretty fucking much.
Yeah, the market's
Pretty
like,
much.
we haven't done it for fucking 85 years, so let's do it. Come on. Rally.
Ooh, Brian, do you want to go next on the next news section, the traders late at Tuesday morning?
I guess, since we're switching now. Dave sent me his
Yay!
Microsoft document, and now I guess that means I have to read things.
Woo!
Traders later Tuesday morning will be closely eyeing remarks from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, a.k.a. J. Powell, a.k.a. that motherfucker, and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, who is just the oldest fucking cave troll I've ever seen in my life. I was like, people are like, Yellen. They're yelling about Yellen. And then I finally saw a picture of this bitch. And I was like, why is this woman in charge of anything? She literally looks like she's cornering young girls in her basement to try to get youth out of them. Like, she is fucking terrifying. So they're talking before the U.S. House Financial Services Committee. Okay.
You want to
Recoveries.
read the notes beneath it?
Powell set to reiterate that recovery is far complete, progress more quickly than generally expected, and Yellen is set to make similar points, suggesting we should be clear-eyed about the hole we're digging out of, as the economy remains about 10 million jobs short of its pre-pandemic levels. Yeah, I don't think anybody is pretending like we're not in a hole. Like, we all know that, but you know. These old ass people are like, man, I might actually die in this hole because I'm 1,000 years old, and we're just like, I'm strong enough to dig out of it, you know. See ya.
What about the AstraZeneca? I think I'm saying that right. AstraZeneca.
AstraZeneca, yeah.
Yeah, did you hear about that this morning?
No, I didn't.
All right, so they have to reissue vaccine trial data following claim it gave incomplete review.
Mm-hmm.
So within the next 24 hours, they have to resend in fucking everything. And the crazy part is the stock only fell 1.3%.
Yeah.
Ticker AZN.
Well, I mean, it's saying it's going to reissue the key data. So, yeah, I mean, like, dude, it's not like you're getting Hindenburg over here. It's just that somebody said they may have given an incomplete picture, which, is it? I mean, that's probably... Didn't somebody die from an AstraZeneca shot from a blood clot? Was that...
No, click the article.
Uh...
See if there's anything else. I might have missed something.
Why?
Yeah.
Click the article. Yeah. You're getting real
Click up the
bossy
fucking
now that you
article.
sent this fucking... So I spend an hour on this every morning, and now you have to bend to my will.
That's not how we're going to do things, Brian, and you know that. I don't know if anybody died, though. Did you read that somewhere?
Somebody died in Europe.
And yeah, must have been London.
From a blood clot. I thought it was AstraZeneca, but they seem to have... I don't know. I think they got off the hook for that.
Yeah, I think so, too. Stock's climbing right back up, pushing $50 right now. AstraZeneca, AZN. Woo! Also, last little bit of news information I have. This has something to do with like new homes, sales of new homes. It declined 18.2% in the month of February. Thought that was a fun fact.
Dude, the housing market's... That doesn't surprise me. The housing market's so fucking blown up right now. There's a house on sale at the corner of my street for $500,000. It is the same size as this house. It's like slightly renovated. People get shot in my neighborhood regularly. You know, like they're trying very hard to gentrify it, but like it is not anywhere close to that. People are buying $500,000 to live in like the hood.
Bro, last time I left your house, there was multiple police cars right in front of your house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking wild.
I'm pretty sure our neighbor right next to us, we're almost positive that he he definitely lets homeless people sleep in his backyard, but we think that he exchanges drugs and a place to sleep to bang out these like transient skinny brown homeless boys. And they usually go missing. Like straight up, dude, they'll live that. I'm dead serious. Like there's been like 5 of them. We stole a cat from one of them. We still have her at Snails. But they're like they live there in the backyard for like months, right? Very key. They're like, oh hey, I'm your neighbor, and it's like, no, you're addicted to meth. You're not my neighbor. Please don't speak to me. I don't know why you're talking to me. And then one day they're gone. And the police have been to that dude's house since we lived here 3 years, 8 times minimum. And then one time when we left, this dude ran out of his house, like hood-looking white dude, you know what I mean? Like the white dude that wants you to, like, he's like, I grew up listening to gangsta-ass shit, I'll fuck you up, like that type of white guy. The one that acts tough. He came barreling out of his house, and he's just like, yo, this guy threatened me, he pulled a knife on me, he was like really freaking out, and I was like, hey, you little drug addict buttfucker that I just don't care about, please don't talk to me, but also don't involve me in whatever is going on there.
Wow.
I know, dude!
Wow. Is that the guitarist?
The guitarist?
The guitarist? Remember one of your neighbors, the guitarist?
One of my neighbors, the guitarist.
Yeah, he was in a band. They used to. I had a whole.
Oh no! No, Kristen. No, Kristen. No, that's my landlord, and he is not killing vagrants. No, it's the guy. If like the 3 of our houses actually. So like Kristen's here, I'm here, and then the neighbor I'm talking about is like literally in between the 2 of us. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like in the woods. Like you're walking on the sidewalk and like the tree that's over.
Yeah. If that guy wasn't such a garbage pile, his yard would be kind of whimsical for sure. But like. Bro, there's like a custom-made bathroom outside that Kristen can see from his bathroom. He's like, look at this shit. They have a trailer out back, and the guy made a bathroom in the trailer. He probably just like dug a fucking hole in the ground, but it's wild.
Bro, that is I did not expect you to say any of that.
Yep. Well, that's just all true.
So the reason why I brought up real estate because there is a cloud-based real estate platform called Compass to offer 36 million shares as planned IPO. Priced at around $23 to $26. It's not out yet. Ticker is going to be COMP.
Okay.
COMP.
Oh, dude, this is... See, this is how institutes make so much money. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Barclay Capital are lead underwriters and will have the option to purchase an additional 5.4 million shares, which they will do. So they're going to have already fucking a sixth, at least a 1/6 ownership in this fucking cloud-based thing. And this IPO is going to put money on it now? Oh, it. When does it, it's not trading
Not
yet, is
yet.
it? Okay.
No, it's not trading yet. No, I just checked again. It's not trading yet.
I'm going to say
Oh, we're gonna make bets. All right.
39.
You know that's close to double. I'm gonna go a little bit lower. I'm gonna go 35.
You're going lower than me.
I'm going lower than you because the
You're,
last
you're
the last
learning.
one was
You're
mine.
learning. Yeah.
I'm learning.
Yeah.
35. I'm gonna write that down. So what did you say? What'd you say now?
39.
All right, Brian. 39. David. 35. All right, I got that on.
Cool.
Cool. All right,
If you're listening,
what-
put your bets on what you think COMP is
Bro.
going to list at. Closest with going over, Price is Right rules. Winner gets one bragging right.
One bragging right. I'm gonna keep it in the air, keep it in the clouds. I know last week we brought up an airline called, was it Sun Country Airlines?
Yep.
In that article, I did bring up that Frontier is going to be IPOing this year too, but I do have the ticker name for it, the ticker symbol. It is going to be ULCC, which I did not have before.
Which I wasn't expecting. ULCC.
Yeah,
It's not
Yeah, ULCC.
another one
yeah,
not
it's
trading yet, right?
No, but they've already filed for the ticker, so it is coming. They plan on offering their shares at $19 to $21, and they only raised $315 million. Like, I'm reading all these like cloud companies that are raising billions and billions, but an airlines can only offer up a couple million, like raise a couple million. That's so weird to me,
Yeah.
right? Is that just me?
I mean, yeah, 315 million doesn't seem like a lot, but it's also Frontier, you know?
Still,
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, because if you're rich enough, you could just buy an airlines. Hey, yeah, no, I got my own fucking airlines. That's just me. But what about Microsoft and Discord?
Yeah, interesting. I don't know. Microsoft said to be in discussions to acquire Discord for over $10 billion. Discord has reached out to potential buyers, including Microsoft. No deals imminent. However, one person told Bloomberg that Discord is more likely to go public than sell itself. Kind of like that.
I like that.
Yeah, I love Discord. I think it's amazing. It's social media that you can basically just kind of cut out the bullshit, you know? And by bullshit, I mean people you don't want to deal with. Like my crazy-ass family that's still posting.
You fucking good.
Yeah, dumb shit. Yeah, I see. I don't know. I like Discord. I'd like for it to remain as like open as possible for a while. Like they kind of so there's like one of your things is they were in news when Tesla expressed his disappointment that the company took down Wall Street Bets from its platform. There was a lot of hate speech going on there. Okay, that's all I gotta say on that. I remember somebody from our Discord popped in. They're like, I literally could not go in that Discord without hearing somebody scream the N-word repeatedly the entire time. So it's like, okay. Which, honestly, is probably just, like, the fucking suits hiring somebody. Go in there, scream the N-word. We're going to pay you $10 an hour to do it, you know?
Probably.
But, like, before that, the Chinese government invested a fuck ton of money into Discord, like $100 million, right?
You said invested? You said invested?
Yeah, well, I mean, like, donated, I guess? You know, they, like...
Donated.
But they weren't the only government that did it, because, like, I know, like, the United States government, I believe, had given them money, you know, because they were operating on, like, Wikipedia-style donations for a little while. But, like, the Chinese government gave them, like, $100 million or some shit, and that, I mean, the Chinese government has ruined Reddit. They censor the fuck out of everything on Reddit, so it's like, I don't know. I guess I'd rather have Microsoft own it, but then he's going to microchip Discord and track us through his vaccines and Discord, and I just can't have that, you know?
I didn't think about that.
Yeah.
Damn.
I know.
Damn. Because I really like fucking Discord.
Mm-hmm.
But so we hope it goes public.
I'd invest in Discord for sure if it went public.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
It said the app's download grew to about 800,000 downloads a day. peaking over 140 million monthly users, bro.
That's crazy.
That's a
So
lot
many
of
people.
fucking people. That's 1/3 of America.
Yeah.
That's more than 1/3 of America.
It's just,
Wow.
I mean, it's a great app.
Wow. All right, let's go to NFTs right below it.
Nice.
Shares in companies linked to non-fungible tokens. Sure.
Yeah.
All right, which one do you want to talk about first? I put them all on the watch list. They're all at the bottom.
Okay. Let me switch it. I'll finally switch over to the graph.
Cool.
So OCG. Yeah, pretty funny. I was talking about that Jack Dorsey tweet for when I was using the NFT as an example. It finally sold 2.9 million. He donated it all. So good for him. Yeah, good for him. Let's go
Look
with
at TCAT.
TCAT because I've seen that. I feel like this was the first one.
Bro, so we were talking about this morning. So do you know how last week we were ripping Stevie a new asshole?
Yeah.
That morning, he brought up TKAT.
Okay.
It was at $7. We're like, Steve, what the fuck is this? Why are you telling us about this? Like, just can you tell us anything more about it? He's like, oh no, this is it. This is gonna fucking soar. And all we did was just shut him down. And then the next thing you know, that thing shot up to like $60 fucking dollars.
Yeah, this is like the Mara of NFTs. Is that what I'm seeing here?
I think so.
Did he invest in it?
I don't know. I don't know because we none of us knew what it was.
I wasn't
now
there.
We know.
Yeah, I definitely wasn't there.
No, it was before you got on.
Wow, dude! In a week, it's gone up like $50.
Oh yeah, look at from March 20. Yeah, from last night. Look at went up $20 within the last day.
Yeah, on March 17th, it was $646. It's the 23rd. You know.
Yeah, we had it. It was in front of us at $7.
Yeah.
Do you know the reason why? You know why we didn't get into it? Because it was already up like 40, 50 something percent, and we're like, bro, it's not gonna soar above, and it did.
Wow, it's crazy. It's so crazy that you would think that because that is complete the opposite. Usually, you're like, it's up 40%. That means going up another 40%.
I know. Well, you'd be proud of me yesterday, since we're like on the subject right now, the NFTs, HOFV. I did sell out last night, a minute before market close, so I did miss out on some profit, but I did sell out for $5.30.
Okay.
So I bought in at $4.33, so I did get $1 profit.
Nice.
You know, whatever it is. I did wait this morning, and I did buy back in. I did rush that though, which I'm a little butthurt about. But my average now is at 467. It's at 455 right now.
Okay.
So I got in. Yeah. Keep going. What are you gonna say?
No, go ahead.
No, I got in about like 50 minutes in market. So it crashed. It came back up a little bit, and it was going back down again. And I thought that's where it was gonna stop. And so that's where my entry point was. Right at I think it was like 7:17. Right around that time, 7:05 this morning. And then it tanked a little bit more, and I was like, oh fuck, I was like, why didn't I just wait this a wee bit longer? But now it's on its way back up. Do you still have your shares?
I have half of them still. I sold half of them at 580. Don't regret that. My entry is like 353, so I'm still up over $1 on my remaining shares, which is, I mean, it's $25. You know, it's nothing. I only have 50 shares. I thought about buying back yesterday, buying back 25, like another 25. And then I remembered that every time that I've tried to, I'm good at selling my half, you know what I mean? And then every time after it drops down and I try to buy back in, I mistime it horribly. So this time, I just decided to not do that. So I still only have 25 of my shares, and those ones, I mean, if it starts to dip below 4, I'm going to abandon ship for sure. Just cut it, and we'll see what happens. Maybe buy back later, but yeah, I plan on ratting out the other 25. I don't plan on buying any more because that just keeps burning me.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'm still in it. I have 150 shares at 467 at the moment. What about JFIN? I know we talked about JFIN the other day, didn't we? JFIN.
This thing just screams pump and dump to me every time. I feel like it's been talked about a few times now, and I mean, it seems like I'm wrong. You know, it's like kind of stepping up there, but I don't know. I don't think I like JFIN at all. It just worries me. I don't have a good feeling about it.
Yeah, it is on. Yeah, it's in the sell rating for the cheap algo on the 1 hour view. I remember they telling me that it works best on the 1 hour ticker or the 1 hour. All right, then the other one we have is on the watch list OCGN. I mean, OCG.
OCG. Oriental
saying
Culture
OCG.
Holding. Okay. Interesting.
So this one is in the buy on the cheat code.
Looks like it's switching though. He's got
This
a
looks
lot.
better than the other one.
Yeah, this has got a lot of indicators saying that it's about to switch to a short though. Like the second half of the buy signal's all green candles that they're like yellow because they're being highlighted saying they're gonna swap over. It does seem to be pretty accurate on the hour when it's going to swap. You can see it back here on March 15th when it was going from buy to sell. It had the 3 in a row. Yeah, this is going down for sure.
Yeah, they're
Without
all
a doubt.
down. OCGN down 11%, JFIN down 26%, HOFV down 15%, but fucking TCAT up 30%.
Yeah, TCAT is
Manipulation.
TCAT's like the ringleader of the NFTs, I think. People have been talking about it for weeks now, which means you gotta look for the inevitable like massive short attack on it. Wow, I mean it's just straight up like what?
Yeah, I know.
But it seems like it's rounding off, and this to me looks like it could be setting up for a absolutely massive head and shoulders. If we're looking at the 1 hour.
Oh, like I could never invest into it right now. It's way too hot.
I
Who
feel
does
like
that?
right
These are
now,
new investors.
can you buy options on this? I feel like right now is when you buy puts.
Of course.
Like if you had options on it, this is put time in my eyes.
Let me check real quick.
Let's see. Pull up Dave's thing. Yeah. So yeah, NFTs are huge right now. They're it's like I said yesterday, definitely bubble action. For sure, but it is new and it's hot, and just keep an eye on that shit.
No options.
No options. Okay.
No options. Or buy and sell only.
When the options come out for that, that's going to be a very interesting time. Because if they put option contracts out like right now or in the coming days for this, it could definitely make it turn around. Rather than go down, it could make it go up for sure. It could just... I really do think we're seeing a massive head and shoulders setup right now. Like, literally halfway through it.
Yeah, it's going to drop all the way down to 25, if not 18.
Oh. Maybe even, like, maybe you luck out and, like, the right shoulder establishes itself on a turnaround around like, 34, maybe. But I don't know. I can't see this continuing to go up like that.
But I did miss it at the beginning, so what the fuck do I know?
Yeah. I wish I had known about it. I mean, I would have at least looked into it and probably...
Yeah, it was St. Patty's.
Oh, yeah?
Last Wednesday. It was Wednesday before you got on $7. We're like, no, bro, you're delusional.
LOL.
Fucking scored.
LOL. So funny. So funny.
It went to 7? Bro, it went to 7 to 75.
He's probably pissed. That's why we haven't seen Steve in forever, because he's fucking pissed
I know,
at you guys. He probably
Bro,
didn't. He probably didn't invest. He's probably these fucking assholes. I had my finger on the pulse.
Oh yeah, he's saying that in his head right now.
Oh yeah.
That's fucking great. All right, let's switch it to my baby IZEA. IZEA, IZEA. I'm creating bag holders all across the country. This is something I firmly believe in. Not being a bag holder, but this company is going to be $20 by the end of the year.
Yeah, Dave, $20 at the end of the year.
$20. Dude, this morning they teamed up with King Sports and Entertainment, which now means that IZEA is going to be in contact with main sport athletes.
Nice.
Mwah. It just keeps on coming. And at the end of the article, it says IZEA plans to formally welcome additional partners as days go on.
Wow.
Every day for 45 days. 45 days. They said they're going to be announcing new people, new mergers every day.
Wow.
And this is the week of earnings. Next week, March 30th. It's coming. It's here. IZEA taking the world for a storm. IZEA.
I can't wait until you have to masturbate with your tears as lubrication. Because you're going to be fucking crying so bad. Why is this happening, IZEA? IZEA, I have 2,000 shares, IZEA. Why are you $2,000 each? Oh.
All right, click the one I have for what Kathy Ark bought and sold today. So I thought this was interesting because I don't really know much about any of these, and I think we should learn about these.
Okay, let's see.
So the first one was Deere & Co. The ticker DE, sold 46,000 shares. Farm equipment.
DE.
DE.
Deere, yeah, John Deere.
Yep.
Okay.
Wow, shit, 361. It's climbing though. Did she get out at a bad time, or is this gonna fall?
That is dropping.
Yeah.
Pretty much just in the sell. But you can see if you go back, like, beginning of March, it had pretty much the same exact drop, and then it went on a nice run.
And February, look at that. Exact same thing.
Yeah, so it does seem to... Wow. Dude, it does this setup, like, all the time. Look at this shit.
All the time.
I'm going... I just...
know.
Every time I pull back a little bit, I'm like, there it is again, and there it is again.
Yeah.
Yeah, real predictable pattern on the... Honestly, you start to see a little bit... Like, you start to see those turnaround signals right now, and buying seems like a really nice idea. That's not advice.
No, I'm just about to say that.
Wow.
It's interesting. I wonder why they sold.
So, who sold? Kathy sold?
Kathy Woods, yeah. Kathy Woods sold this off.
Okay.
What else did they sell? They also sold Aero Environment. So AVAV is the ticker. AVAV. $116 per share. It did skyrocket in January. I don't know anything about it. I don't really like it. Oh, it says, yeah, aerospace and defense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
support and operation of unmanned aircraft systems. Okay.
Interesting.
Next, Unity Software. This is the one that they bought. They actually bought something this time.
Yeah, I know Unity. I know a couple of these.
Yeah, I don't really know too much of these. What is Unity?
Software, video games.
Software.
Yeah. I think they're like a video game engine. Yeah, it's for making. Yeah. It's good shit. I mean, you can make great shit with Unity. I feel like Unity and Unreal, I don't know if Unreal's traded, but Unity software's not bad for sure. Ticker's U.
Ticker's U, yeah. I don't know. Since September, it looked like.
Yeah, this thing. It's kind of been just kind of on the down.
Yeah, I don't like that at all. So she bought fucking 187,000. So she's anticipating something. And then what else we got? Oh, I know DDD is 3D printing.
Yeah,
She bought 141,000 shares of that. Fuck, bro.
Wow, dude, that
DDD.
thing went. Whew! Wow, it fell. Damn.
Oh wow, yeah, it did. Ooh, we should. That's
a tough February. That's a big old Head and Shoulders right there, though. Like, just boom. There you go. What's gonna
add
happen?
that one to the walkthrough.
Yeah, what's gonna happen here, though? Huh.
I think it's gonna go up.
Honestly, wow.
Look at it.
I don't know.
What you have it on the 1 hour?
I do. I'm looking back at, so it like popped in January. You know, it was $11, right? And it just kind of like went on it. It looks like
It could pop to 40.
I'm gonna say it looks like it's gonna go back to 12.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's making a push in earnest to just kind of go back to where it was.
But this is the future. 3D printing is the future.
3D print. I agree with you. 3D printing's been the future for like 9 years now. At this point, you could buy a 3D printer on Amazon for like $250. That's not even a lot of money.
No, it's not.
I'm not saying it's going to stay there forever. I'm looking at this like it went on a real run from, like $11 to $60. What the fuck did I just do? And then it's just going down. We'll see. Brian,
Yeah, we'll see.
Brian bet $12.
There
in
was
the
two
coming
more.
months.
There was two more they bought, but it was smaller portions. But we don't have to go into that. I do want to look at SOS real quick. I haven't looked at my watch list or my portfolio the whole show. So what is SOS doing? How is SOS?
6,784. Whew.
Well, how do you like the 1 hour view?
Um.
That's a flag right there if you've never seen one.
Is it?
I think so. It could have gone up a little bit higher in the beginning of March, then it would have looked more like a flag, but that looks like a flag to me.
Man, I don't know. Technically I don't know what's going on. I just think it's a great stock. I'm gonna hold my shares for a hot minute. I'm also technically holding a bag because I tried to average down on it again. I tried to average up. I'm way better at averaging down than averaging up. Averaging up is a very tricky thing, and I'm not the biggest fan of it. But yeah, so we chilling.
Do you have anything to end the show, Brian?
No show tomorrow.
No show tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, that's at like 50-50 right now.
Okay.
Because I'm supposed to be helping somebody with like a turf cleanup job tomorrow, but
Turf cleanup.
I still have not even heard that that's confirmed. So
right.
I'm hoping he's gonna let me know by at some point today.
Cool.
And then we're gonna be on the Bud Card show tomorrow, though.
We're going to be on the Bud Card. Yeah, the Bud Show. It's very exciting. First time that we're going to be interviewed together, which is going to be pretty cool.
That's cool.
Right?
Yeah.
That's tomorrow night. I'll post all that shit on social media, mostly Instagram. And then we are in the works for creating another event. I'm not going to go into it, but it is in the fucking process. We are speaking to the state. We are speaking to the municipalities. We have figured out how to host an event safely here in Arizona. So
yeah.
keep an eye out, guys.
Hell yeah.
Bro, I played that fucking song, bro.
We'll play that song. Thanks everybody for stopping in. If you're still here, please like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Yeah, thanks so much. Okay, let's get this goddamn. Step 1. Step 2. Roll it.
Oh. J-Pow's on right now.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on
Is that
this
an
track
insulin
to
pump?
try and rock your socks.
It's like a dose control.